No, no, no! So unreadable, garbled sack!
What's with him? It's not like it's the first time. Hello, Linda speaking. Hello? No. I can barely... You can yell all you want, sir. It's not gonna help the sound quality. Okay? Yabba dabba do to you too.
Hey, right! I just want to go home.
What's so great about home? So you got a few channels and a VCR? We live in a low-def world. Just get used to it.
My life!
Love my life. Oh, I love my life.
We're stuck in this low-def world forever.
Upscale every moment with more wow.
Wow! Says we're all gonna get upscale!